Hello and thank you for watching today's video. Today, you're going to learn about batteries for mobility scooters. Most mobility scooters require two 12-volt batteries. Here we have two 12-volt lead-acid batteries, sealed lead-acid batteries. There are many different brands, but all you need to know when you're buying or replacing them is the amp hours, which is the capacity, and the voltage. Smaller batteries have smaller capacity, larger batteries have higher capacity. The battery cases on most of the GoGo mobility scooters simply come apart. We have a video that shows you how to take them apart. And inside of each battery case, you'll find two 12-volt batteries. Most mobility scooter motors run on 24 volts. And some mobility scooters use lithium batteries, which are much lighter, and you only really need one battery. It comes in a case with one battery, but again, all you need to know is the voltage and the capacity, which is rated in amp hours, abbreviated by AH. So check your battery labels. All of the mobility scooters made by Pride Mobility work with lithium or sealed lead-acid batteries, such as this Maxima model number SC54LX. We took the seat off and removed the battery cover, and as you can see, we have two 12-volt 55 amp hour batteries, which you can see on the label. And they are the same type of batteries as the ones you saw earlier on the table, but they're just much bigger. They weigh around 35 pounds, and you could always check the manufacturer brochure and spec sheet to check what kind of battery charger and batteries the Maxima comes with. You can go to our website and search for the Maxima, find the product, click on it, and then just scroll all the way to the bottom of the description to find the user manual section, where you'll find a link for the user manual and the brochure for every mobility scooter we carry. So if you click on the brochure link, you'll have a high definition quality copy of the brochure. It tells you what kind of charger is required and what kind of batteries are required. So check the voltage and the amp hours to make sure they match up. For chargers, most mobility scooters use a 24-volt XLR charger. The voltage is already identified. Since you have two 12-volt batteries, you usually need a 24-volt charger, but you need to check the output to make sure that it matches with the manufacturer brochure. This charger is a 5 amp charger. It's meant for 24 volts, but it's a 5 amp charger. So again, check your brochure and make sure when buying a charger to get the right one based on the voltage and the amps. Here we have a Victory LX Sport, and we're showing you that the batteries are 12 volt 50 amp hours. These weigh around 40 pounds. They're very heavy, but they last a long time. Make sure to check the terminal connections, because some terminals use clip-ons while others use bolts. Again, remember to double check the brochure, which you can find on our website by searching for the product and then scrolling to the bottom of the description area. Usually there's a section that says user manual and brochure, and there's a link that you can click on to download or view or print a copy of the specification sheet known as the brochure. Each brochure is going to tell you what kind of battery is required and the type of charger that's required. Make sure to take note of the voltage and the amp hour for the batteries, and then the amps for the charger. Here we have a GoGo Sport. This battery pack was the one we showed you earlier, and if you're interested in learning how to take it apart to replace your batteries, we have a video for that. The charging port is on the battery pack in the front, and there's also a charging port right by the handlebars on the tiller assembly. The good thing about GoGo scooters is that they not only come with a convenient battery case with a handle, but you can also take the GoGo mobility scooters apart very easily, so you can transport them in the trunk of a small car or a truck or an SUV or a van. When taken apart, the heaviest piece usually weighs around 35 to 40 pounds, depending on the model. The GoGo Sport is known for being a sportier version of the GoGo that can handle a little bit more weight capacity, and it has a little bit more ground clearance and better ability to handle off-road terrain. All of the mobility scooters that we're showing you in this video work with the same type of system. There are batteries, which are either sealed lead acid or lithium. The brochure will explain. You can use AGM or gel. Gel is a little bit more expensive. and they last a little longer, but typically you get AGM batteries. Here we have a Revo 2.0. The convenient thing about this is that it has two battery packs which connect together. Inside of each pack, you'll find one 12-volt, 35 amp hour battery, known as a U1, universal battery. So you just need two 12-volt U1 batteries, and the difference with the Revo is that it comes in two battery cases which connect together, and this scooter can handle up to 400 pounds. It's one of the only 400-pound weight capacity scooters on the market that can still disassemble like a Travel Series GoGo mobility scooter would. Remember, if you're not sure about the battery requirements and the charger specs, just go to our website and look for the Revo 2.0, and just like every other mobility scooter and power wheelchair, you'll find the link to the brochure at the bottom of the description section, so you can click that, pull it up, and double check before ordering any mobility scooter batteries or replacement chargers. It's very important that you follow those instructions, because if you don't, you could end up ordering the wrong product. Here we have a folding transformer. It's an automatic folding scooter. Generally, most folding scooters use lithium batteries that are very lightweight, such as this one, and it's just one battery pack. It's not a case with two batteries in it. It weighs about 5 pounds, and they last a lot longer and typically come with a better warranty than traditional sealed lead acid batteries. Here we have the Transport Auto Folder scooter, known as the Transport AF4. It was just released in late 2021. It's a very convenient automatic folding mobility scooter, which also has a lithium battery. There's a little shroud panel that you pop up with a flathead screwdriver to access the battery, and it just has a harness connector which you'll take out. And like every other battery, if you check the label, you're going to see the voltage and the amp hours. All you need to do is make sure that you have the right voltage and amp hour when purchasing your replacement. There are several different models, and models get upgraded over the years too. So if the battery changes, you need to make sure you get the right one. Even the folding mobility scooters that are not made by Pride have brochures on our website. Here we have another Pride product known as the Folding GoGo, which has the option to get either sealed lead acid or lithium chemistry batteries. The two cases that you saw below are examples. We have one sealed lead acid and one lithium, and if you check the brochure, you're going to see that there are two options for the Folding GoGo. You can get the 12 amp hour sealed lead acid battery pack or the 11.5 amp hour lithium battery pack. You also have the option to purchase lithium chargers or sealed lead acid chargers. It's very important that you make sure you have a lead acid charger for lead acid batteries or lithium chargers for lithium batteries. Pride Mobility started making new GoGos with lithium batteries, such as the SC54LX-LIT, known as the Endurance. The only difference is the batteries. One has lead acid, one has lithium, and the chargers too. Here we have a power wheelchair, which we wanted to just show you, also uses two 12-volt batteries. They work the same way. This is the EZ Go Deluxe Model P321. We also have the Whil Model Ci-2, which is a very, very impressive power wheelchair which uses lithium batteries. There's one battery pack which you pop out, and you can purchase replacement batteries on our website for this product and every other product that we carry. Hopefully you've learned more about batteries and how they work for mobility products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to get notified when new videos come out just like it, and post any questions in the comments section below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.